Bula everyone, Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. We are on Denarau Island, Riverside Gardens Precinct. Beautiful mountain views right on the Nandi River with direct access out to Nandi Bay, the Mamanutha and Isawa Islands. All that world-class surfing at Cloudbreak, snorkeling, scuba diving, you name it. Let's grab ourselves one of these golden coconuts and walk with me, and we are going to check out your new home. This thing is off the charts. Self-chlorinating, self-leveling pool, beautiful sleeping giant mountain views, gorgeous mangroves there, and this thing is decked out, tiled throughout, outdoor shower by the full-size gazebo there for entertaining. Look at the herringbone custom wood floors. Whew. The woodwork in here is unprecedented. I've not seen anything like it here in Fiji, and quite honestly, not really even in the States as well. Double air conditioners, cool ocean breezes, nice architecture. Look at the detail. That is just unbelievable. Gorgeous, huge granite countertop. This kitchen was designed by an international chef who was planning to live in the house. Things changed. He ended up moving into a different home, but you now can get access to all of this. Look at that backsplash. He told us the story behind that. Whew, some money went into that, and all of this custom woodwork, high-end appliances, and guess what? You get to benefit from all this. Here is a half bath. Look at the detail. Check this out. Boom, look at that. You do not see that stuff in other homes. The detail in this place is literally unprecedented. You don't see that here. Walk with me. One of the bedrooms here. This woodwork is incredible. You can see you have a desk here, a second desk. So if you have kids, no excuses not to do that homework when they get back from the beach. They each are going to have their own sink, soak in that rain shower, talk about all the amazing fish that they saw when they were snorkeling and scuba diving. Let's check out the entryway here. You're going to see the front door. Notice the detail, even on the door. Everything is done here so well. Look at that. All your personal items just need to go up there to welcome all your guests. Tiled double car enclosed garage. Yes, more built-ins. And up top, you have a huge area for storage. I'm going to show you, in fact, the other area that's identical to where we're going to go in the garage upstairs. And these owners and designers wanted to make sure they utilized every inch of space. Look at this. Home office, area for the kids to enjoy. Lots of potential for storage. Look, even underneath, they finished everything out. Look, even the baseboards, all the lighting. Lots of room up here. So much flexibility and potential for you to now utilize this space and be the first owner who's living in this house. Walk with me now. We're going to show you bedroom number 2. Really, really great. There's that aircon up there, down lighting, huge bed. This home is available furnished as you see it. Get ready for it. Look at that. This is actually made out of wood and resin. It is sealed. It is unbelievable. You do not see this here. This is unique to this home, and you have an outside soaking tub, an outside shower with the rain shower and the wand. Look at the detail. This is what you've been wanting, right? You're looking at this and you're scratching your head. You're probably yelling over to your spouse right now, honey, hurry, hurry, hurry. You've got to see what Baron and Bren have in Fiji. This might be the one. Let's check out now the master that's facing the pool. Very similar to that second bedroom. These open up on both sides. You can hang your clothes and grab them from the bedroom side or from the bathroom side. But look at this double mirror. Watch. How about that? I mean, that is so cool. There's the double sinks again. And yep, you're not seeing double. This is that tub that was in the other room, and you have one here in the dual master here as well. So same out here. Yes, you get your soaking tub as well. And yes, you get that outdoor shower with the wand and rain shower. Indoor, outdoor, you choose, because this is your new home and you deserve a soak in the tub. Look at this. Look at that. You're gonna wanna pause your computer to check that out. So find out more about this exquisitely detailed home on Denarau Island, 15 to 20 minutes from the international airport, no expenses spared. You're looking for the best. I'm telling you, this is it. Professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051 and make this dream your reality. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Vanaka.